Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Vindhya Seth and today we're going to talk about the different states of matter or the states of matter. First, as you already know, there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. So first we'll discuss the solid state. All solids, they have a definite shape. So this is the first point, that solids have definite shape. Second point, uh, they have distinct boundaries with fixed volume. So here they have fixed volume. They have fixed volume. I mean that they cannot be incompressible, negligible compressibility. Solids, they have a tendency to maintain their shape when they are subjected to the outside force, any other force. Solids can break under force, but they have definite shape. That's why it is difficult to change their shape. So this means that they are rigid. I will write the third point here. They are rigid. That means they have definite shape, right? So we cannot change their shape. So they are rigid. These are the points of main properties of solid. We discussed about solid state. Now we'll see liquid state. Now we'll have a look at the liquid state. I'm sorry. So first let's have a look at the gaseous state and then we'll move on to the liquid state. Gases, they're highly compressible. So the first point we can say is that they're highly compressible. They're highly compressible while liquids and solids are not. The liquefied petroleum gas or the LPG, we LPG, it's a cylinder we get in our home for cooking or the oxygen supplied to hospitals. It is a compressed gas because they're highly compressible. So in the gaseous state, the particles move at high speed. So in second point, we can write that particles move at high speed because you know there are less particles moving. I will show you one figure and then from that figure we can see particles move at high speed. And due to this movement, the particles hit each other and also the walls of. Suppose this is a container and a gas is inside it. Gas particles are apart, so I'm drawing a bit apart. So they move at high speed. So they sometimes hit each other, or this is the I will make it from another color. This is the wall of the container. This. Sometimes they hit each other like this particle hit, or they can hit the wall of the container. Now we will look at the liquid state. Liquids, they don't have a fixed shape or a fixed volume. So first point we can write that. I'm sorry, they do not have fixed shape, but have fixed volume. Fixed shape, but they have fixed volume. They take the shape of container which they are kept. Suppose this is a container and the container this shape. So they will so water is filled. So water will take the shape of this container. Suppose the container is like this round. So the water will is filled in it. So it will take the shape of this container. Liquids, they flow and they can change shape. So third point is change shape. So if they change shape, that means from this point we can conclude that they are not rigid. But they are fluid. Not rigid but fluid. So these points we conclude from they change shape, so they're not rigid and they're fluid. The rate of diffusion is higher than in compared to solids. So rate of diffusion, rate of diffusion is higher. Higher, I will write, is higher. This is because the particles move freely and they have a great space between each other. They have space between. That's why the rate of diffusion is more in this. So now we looked at all the three states of matter. Now I will show you some um, picture like what I told you that gas they are apart. Like they take the shape of the container and the volume of the container, but liquid they take the shape of container but they have fixed volume. This they have fixed shape and fixed volume. Any container that can they have fixed shape and fixed volume, but here fixed volume and here everything according to the shape or size of the container. Now we'll see. There's one more point I want to tell you that the order of density, the increasing order of density of states of matter, increasing order of density is gas, then liquid. Gas has less density than liquid and solid. So, like if we are given uh, let's say three things: air, water, and cotton. So how we'll arrange it? Here gas, it's air, water, and cotton. So this is the increasing order of density. So this was the end of the today's video. If you enjoy, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.